What's my favorite body talk technique? Um, ah, there are so many. I mean, each of the body talk techniques is just fun and amazing and profound in its own way. I mean, the system of the body talk system itself, the methodology is just it's just brilliant. I mean, the founder of body talk, John Veltheim, was a genius. Really, he was a visionary. But favorite body talk technique? Well, I'll tell you one from the entry level class, Body Talk Fundamentals. That's really been getting my attention lately. Actually, you learn this in the 1 day Body Talk Access class too. Um, and it's a really simple technique to optimize what's called your switching mechanism. So the basic idea is the body mind has an optimal stress threshold for every life situation. So, for example, if you're in a high performance, high stress situation at work or school or sports or whatever. You want your stress threshold to be higher so you can deal with that pressure. But if you're on a vacation, if you're hanging out on the beach or by the pool, just chilling, then your stress threshold can be lower, right? You're relaxing. You can let your guard down. Your nervous system is in that parasympathetic rest and digest mode. Okay, so basically, when you've reached your stress threshold, when you've reached your limit, your body talks to you, gives you feedback, telling you to stop. It tells you to stop, slow down, take a break, rest, relax, reset, recharge. So it's a protective mechanism. It's like when you feel you've hit the wall and you can't go on, you've basically switched off, right? You've switched off. Then you experience things like memory issues, um, feeling easily annoyed or irritated. You make a lot of mistakes. You experience confusion, like mixing up left and right. Someone says, "Raise your right hand," and you're like, "No, your other right hand." Oh, or even mixing up right and wrong. So self-destructive, self-sabotaging types of behaviors, poor reading comprehension. You feel like your circuits are blown or like your brain is fried. So a lot of people's switching mechanism or stress threshold is out of balance. So they get stressed out really easily, like when they're taking a test or driving or public speaking or just the thought of doing the dishes or laundry. Like, I have to. I'm so stressed out. I need to lie down and take a nap, right? Or maybe they don't switch off when they need to, and then they just keep going and going and going and going until they're just running on fumes, and their body mind suffers from being under a lot of stress for way too long. And it's like ignoring all the warning lights on the car's dashboard, and then getting all these car problems, but you keep ignoring the signals, you keep ignoring the problems, and then the car totally breaks down and gives out, and you wonder, like, why did that happen, or how did that happen, right? So when your switching mechanism is functioning well, you switch off when you need to switch off. You're aware of when your body is talking to you and giving you those signals, right? And then you switch back on and resume doing what you need to do, right? So when your switching mechanism is actually balanced, you feel less stressed, more relaxed. The switching technique helps you experience just a better balance between doing and being, right? Do. Your brain and nervous system are in a healthier state, and then all the benefits of that, right? So, like a stronger immune system and the body being able to heal and repair more effectively and efficiently. So balancing your switching mechanism is like a reset for your brain and nervous system. So I guess that's one of the many, subtle but powerful techniques you learn in these beginner classes, the Body Talk Fundamentals class, the Body Talk Access class. There are so many others, but I guess maybe I'll have to share that in a future video.